Hello friends. So in the subject of business analytics, today we will discuss analytics in financial services industry. The financial services industry is dealing with record amount of data flowing faster than ever. So smarter analytics will increasingly become the competitive differentiator among financial service companies. As there is immense value of customer retention in B2B, that is business to business, and B2C, that is business to customer market. Banks also know the value of customer retention and customer loyalty. So for more understanding of these tricks to keeping customer in touch, banks and other financial institutions including insurance sectors are taking a proactive approach which includes introduction of big data analytics in their industry. There are some points listed to give an overview on importance of data analytics in financial services industry. First, banks. Under banks, first point is a risk prediction. Because of data analytics, banks are able to access the risk profile of credit applicants in detail, with the help of which they can improve their credit assessment policies. Most important feature of data analytics is an advanced warning system which helps banks to reduce their risk cost and become more aware of the fraudulent cases much earlier. Second, enhancing the power of decision making and productivity. With the help of proper analysis using data analytics tools, banks are able to provide a crisp and accurate response to the customer within a short span of time. More refined data helps the bank in easy decision making for day to day activities. Let's say without data filtration or unstructured data, it would have been a really hectic activity for banks to set up an ATM at right place, placing number of counters for customer service in banks, and to decide which ATM machine required what amount of cash. But with different analytics tools, this is possible for banks to understand and able to make decision accordingly. Third, a personal touch for every customer. Banks and other financial sectors are also believe in customer experience and personalization. Approaches like tap and go, product suggestion based on the purchasing history, creating an offer based on geographical data, and seasonal sales are some of the tricks of customer experience and personalization. Many of the bank customers also want and expect such services from their banks too. Here, analytics helps the bank for personalized offer and other facilities about product and services which are related to the customers. Next one is the insurance. First, improving claim management. The usage of data analytic tool by the insurance industry helps them to prioritize claim management. In insurance industry, two terms are very common, that is straight claims and complex claim. Data analytics helps understands and faster settlement of the straight claims and provides better attention to the complex claim cases. Reservation for loss. Whenever a claim is reported, it's really difficult to understand its size, duration, and complexity. But in this kind of scenarios, forecasting claims and calculating accurate loss is must, especially in case of long tail claims like liability and workers' compensation. But by proper analytics calculation of loss by comparing a loss with similar claims has become easy with the help of data analytics tools. Afterwards, whenever your insurance claim date is updated by your insurance company, at the time, analytics tool reassesses the loss reserve, which gives you an idea of how much money you need for your future claims. So by that way, analytics helps in insurance industry. Next one is for investment management or the firm which provides you guidance about the investment, under which first one is discovering valuation. A recently developed analytics tools make us properly aware of the fact that the company's valuation just does not depend on financial statements and figures. But in fact, the valuation these days is influenced by the corporate environment and other social factors. And this is with the help from proper validation of business data analytics techniques used by companies to acquire a large set of data from news, social media, social events, and political factors under consideration. These factors then provide the real value of the company, and on the basis of that, it can be judged whether the investment is going to be profitable or not. Now, second, profitable investment. As we all know that from the last few odd years, e-commerce is on a great high due to web traffic, which makes it a point of major consideration for different industries, due to which more and more companies are shifting their offline transactions business to the modernized online transactions via different portals and gateways. Under these kind of situation, data analytics plays a crucial role by effectively visualizing the web traffic and its impact on real-time market share. So, for the investor, it's easy to decide whether to invest in a particular company or not. So, other than all such benefits and applicability of analytics in financial service industries, there are some common benefits of analytics like digital banking. So we all know because of the analytics now digital banking is possible. So online banking, mobile banking, people are using nowadays. Second one is the payment infrastructure. We all know that various banks and financial institutions have set up their payment infrastructure with the help of analytics. Fulfill regulatory compliance. So with the help of analytics, whatever regularities are need to be done, analytics helps the banks to complete their compliance. Next one is the credit and counterparty risk analysis. So for credit risk analysis and counterparty risk analysis, analytics helps, because analytics, with the help of analytics and big data, one can easily check and cross check both these things. Financial fraud and money laundering detection. So as we have seen so many cases of online cyber crime regarding fraud of financial aspects. Because of the analytics, now we can easily catch the such financial frauds and money laundering in the financial services industry. So with this points, we have concluded the topic, analytics in financial services industry. uh, Thank you very much for watching my video. uh, Please check out the other videos regarding uh, business analytics, research methodology, performance management, and rural marketing in my channel. Thank you very much for watching.